Number 1, evaluate the following limits. For limit x approaches infinity, as you substitute, you can see this is infinity over infinity, IDF. To simplify this, we're going to divide with the highest power of x. You can see this is square root of x. Therefore, it will be equivalent with modulus x, which can be expressed in piecewise. One is positive, one is negative. So positive for x more than 0, negative for x less than 0. So when our x approaches positive infinity, under the surd, we will divide by x squared. So outside the surd, we will divide to the simplest form of this square root and square. So for x approaches positive infinity, we will divide by x. And then we can start to simplify. This is 1, so this is 1. And then we can evaluate the limit. Substitute infinity inside. 4 over infinity, it will be square root of 0 minus 0 over 1. So it will be equals to alright, so square root of 1 plus 0. So therefore we will square root of 1 divided by 1, so it will give us 1. Then when we go for question B, we have modulus here. So modulus, we need to define it in piecewise. One is positive for it more than equals 0. Another one will be negative for this function less than 0. So as we simplify, for x more than equal 1 over 2, we will take positive function. For your x less than 1 over 2, we will take negative function. So for question B, as we approaches x approaches 1 over 2 from the left hand side means less than 1 over 2, our modulus function should be picking the negative function. And then from here we can notice that this function can be simplified. Remaining is 1. So finally we get negative 1. Then when we move on to question C, so when we substitute 4 inside, is 0 over 0 IDF. So to simplify this, we're going to simplify the function first. So we get same to the denominator, as you can see, or this one we take out 1 over x minus 4 we take out. So this one fraction, we get same to the denominator. And we're going to time with its conjugate. So you must able to simplify your factor of IDF as x approaches 4 from the right hand side. So your factor of IDX will be x minus 4. So this one is ready to simplify. Means this one we need to time with its conjugate. So timing with its conjugate, it will be 2 plus surd x. Then we simplify the conjugate part. A minus b, a plus b. So you get a squared minus b squared. We get 4 minus x. So denominator we just write in product form. Then we take out the negative in order to simplify our factor of IDF x minus 4. So x minus 4 here. Then you can see this factor can be cancelled or simplified. Then you evaluate your limit again. Substitute your 4 into the function again. So it will be negative 1, then 2 surd 4, then 2 plus surd 4. So you get negative 1 over 16. So 2 times 2 is 4, Then 4 times 4 is 16.